Hi, this is John with WTI. And as my apartment has limited space when it comes to storage, and I have a little dog now that is almost running around the tripod right now, he's chewing my shoes up. But this is where this Gorilla Grip hanger, door hanger for shoes comes into place. And what I like the most about this is how good is this to optimize the space in your apartment, even if you don't have too much storage. I just grip it here with these hooks that are in the wall, and it just has 24 pockets that I can put the different shoes. I'm a size 12, so even if the shoes are big, they're gonna just fit perfectly in here. It has so much opportunities to just use your storage correctly, and it just stays still the whole time. And if you have dogs, and just like mine, who loves to eat shoes, this is like his kryptonite. Nothing, not even one of the shoes has been bitten since I got this. So this is one of the keys, essentials that I've had since I moved to this apartment. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.